How to fix something went wrong. Instagram bio on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First just go to settings and now type here storage and click clean up. Now just clean some space here, make sure you have enough space. And after that, let's move to the next step. Go to Play Store, make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here an update, click on it. And then just go to settings here. And now scroll down until you find apps, then apps again, type Instagram and click on it. Now go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.